Sometimes, the night feels endless. So long, that you start believing the morning will never come. Everything feels meaningless. You look at yourself and whisper, why? What's the point of living when it hurts this much? But maybe that question itself holds the answer. Life is not trying to destroy you. It's trying to transform you. It's trying to burn away everything that is not truly you. You think it's your end. But in truth, it's the beginning of your rebirth. Every tear, every breakdown, every sleepless night. They are not your failures. They are your awakening. Have you ever noticed? The darkest part of the night always comes right before the dawn. And the hardest phase of life arrives just before you rise again. The thought of death is a whisper. A lie told by the mind, when it cannot see the future. But the truth is, the future is still there, hidden behind the fog of your pain. Sometimes, God does not answer, because He wants you to become the answer. He wants you to look within, to meet the greatest mystery ever created. Yourself. You are not a broken human being. You are an eternal soul that has fallen 1,000 times and risen 1,001. And if today you feel shattered, maybe it's because you are about to rise again, stronger, purer, and freer. Inside you lives a shadow. It whispers that everything is over. But inside that shadow is a spark of light, waiting for you to turn toward it. When you face your fears, they melt, and your spirit wakes up. Your pain is not your enemy. It is your greatest teacher. It shows you what's real. It shapes you into someone who can walk through fire and still smile. Death is easy, but life is the real battle. And those who stay in the fight don't just survive, they transcend. So when the thought comes, I can't take it anymore, say to yourself, maybe this isn't my end. Maybe this is the deepest chapter of my story. And remember, darkness can never stop the sun. Just hold on a little longer. Breathe a little deeper. Because dawn is already on its way. And it's coming for you. If these things are even a little helpful for you, then please like the video and subscribe to Hussain Knowledge channel.